So analyzing a multifamily apartment deal, this is really your next step in building wealth and accumulating assets. You have to learn what the actual cash flow is before you even know how much money that this property makes or doesn't make in many cases, right? So the first number we want to look at, regardless of purchase price, what we really should talk about today is above 4 units in real estate. Because when you get above 4 units, you're in the commercial span, and commercial properties are evaluated based on the income that they produce. The rough valuation that you should know is that the value of that property is the income that it makes, called the net operating income, NOI. We'll talk about how we get to that in a second. That divided by that area's cap rate. The area's cap rate, people think that's like a rate of return. It's not. It's the measure stability of that area. So, for instance, in Boston, Massachusetts, where everybody wants to be and there's really no vacancies ever, the cap rate in Boston is between 2 and 4%. Now that means it's a very stable place to live. If you go to a rural town in like Alabama and you're looking at a mobile home park, for instance, that might have a cap rate of 12%, which means there's not a lot of people maybe that are looking for that specific place to live. There might be some high crime, but the returns are higher because you're paying less for the property. So because properties use their income to determine their valuation, it's really, really important that we get the actual income by that property.